Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make Jamaican-style stew beef, a truly comforting dish. First, select about 2 pounds of beef chuck or stewing beef, cutting it into 1.5-inch pieces. This size ensures even cooking. Next, marinate your beef for at least 30 minutes or even better, overnight. This step is crucial for infusing the meat with rich, authentic Jamaican flavors right from the start. Now, let's build that incredible flavor. In a large pot, heat about 2 tablespoons of oil over medium-high heat. Brown the beef in batches until all sides are beautifully golden. This creates a deep, savory base. Then, sauté 1 chopped onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic until they become fragrant. Finally, add 1 diced bell pepper and 1 diced carrot, cooking them for a few minutes to soften. This next step is where the magic happens. Pour in 4 cups of rich beef broth and 1 standard-sized can of diced tomatoes. For authentic Jamaican flavor, add 2 sprigs of fresh thyme and 1 whole Scotch bonnet pepper. Remember not to break it open unless you want extra heat. Bring the mixture to a boil, then reduce the heat and let it simmer gently for 2 to 3 hours, or until the beef is incredibly tender. We're almost ready to enjoy this delicious meal. To thicken your stew, create a simple slurry by whisking together 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour with about a 1/4 cup of cold water until smooth. Gradually stir this slurry into the simmering stew until it reaches your desired consistency. Let it cook for another 5 minutes. Serve your hot Jamaican stew beef with classic rice and peas or your favorite boiled provisions for a truly satisfying meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.